Were you scared or nervous?
I was really nervous coming in. My hands were shaking, sweaty. But as soon as we got in there and kind of went over everything of what we're gonna do, started to feel a little bit better. And as soon as I started shooting, the nerves went away. It's not difficult. It's not anything to be scared about, and you kind of get that feeling as soon as you start.
Excellent. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, absolutely. It was fun. As soon as we went through the first couple of rounds, I was ecstatic, just smiling. Can't stop smiling.
And will you continue to do it?
Absolutely. I will be here every month.